Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to play on Stake with a VPN. What you need is a VPN with a good obfuscation system. Obfuscation means that the VPN itself will hide the fact that it is a VPN and that you are using an IP address from the VPN, as most of these websites blacklist VPNs unless you use a reliable one. As you can see here, I'm not in the United States. Therefore, I wanted to make it look like I am in the United States by using ExpressVPN's US servers. Now, I believe Stake is available in Canada, so let's go to Canada. Locations, Canada. Connect to a Canadian server. As you can see here, it says that due to their gaming license, they cannot accept players from the United States. So how can you play Stake if you are not in the United States, the United Kingdom, or Australia where it is not available? Just connect to a server or country where it is available and refresh the website, and that's it. By the way, all of these VPNs work very well, especially when it comes to bypassing these jurisdictions. As you can see here, I have access to them. If you're interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find amazing discounts in the description below, as well as full reviews if you want to learn more about them. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer them all. Like and subscribe if you want to support the channel and stay up to date on everything related to VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you very much for watching the video. See you in the next one.